Hello my dear friends and especially ICC 2022 batch. Thank you so much friends for giving me the overwhelming response to my MCQ based video, that is constructors in Java. Your love has given me the strength to create some program based MCQs. Hope you understand the implementation part of constructors in this video. More such videos are in the queue. So keep in touch with eShiksha and let's get started with program-based MCQ 1 on constructor chapter. So here comes the first question. Here you are given a class called ABC. You have two integer static variables. Then you have a non-parameterized constructor in which you are printing a message. ABC object is now created, and you have another parameterized constructor where you are passing a value and it is going to the formal parameter called A, and there you have two statements, I is equal to A and J is equal to J into I. That is, in short, it is written J into equals to I. So two variables and two constructors, one non-parameterized constructor and one parameterized constructor. And then it is asking what are the values of I and J before any object is created. All the options are there, but the correct answer is 1, Y. Instance variables are initialized when the class is instantiated. If variables are declared only and not initialized, then they will be initialized by default values by JVM before constructor execution. Please do keep this in mind. So I will be 0 and J also will be 0. This is the second question from the same program. Write a statement to create an object OB1 that invokes constructor 2. The correct answer is number 2. How to create an object? Class name, that is ABC. What is the object name I have to create? OB1. Take care of uppercase and lowercase. Here it is OB1 in small, so OB1 is equal to new constructor name, shares the same name as the class name, that is ABC, and you're calling the second constructor, which is a parameterized constructor. You have to pass a value, that is an integer. So I'm passing 2. So if you follow this entire thing, the correct answer is number 2. ABC OB1 is equal to new ABC, and in parentheses you have to pass 2. The rest, all the options that you have is having some kind of problem. Just find it out. This is question number 3 and the code remains the same. The question is to compute the value of I and J if the actual value passed to ABC int A is 5. Suppose you are passing 5 to the parameterized constructor, that is ABC int A. So you are passing 5, that is the actual parameter, and who will receive this? A. So A is the formal parameter. I is equal to A. So I will have what? A's value, which is 5. And J is equal to J into I. That is, J had 0. 0 into I, which is 5, will be 0. So in J you will have what? 0. So here all the options are given. The correct answer is number 4. I would be 5 and J would be 0. This is question number 4. The code remains the same. It is asking, name the formal parameters if any used in the program. So all of you know the answer. It is in the parameterized constructor int a. A is actually the formal parameter. So this is the fifth question. The code remains the same and it is asking what will happen if ABC is invoked. Number 1, I and J will be initialized by JVM with 0 and a message ABC object is now created will be displayed. Number 2, I and J will not be initialized but the message ABC object is now created will be displayed. Number 3, only the message ABC object is now created will be displayed. And number 4 is there will be no output. So here the correct answer is number 1. I and J will be initialized by JVM with 0 and a message ABC object is now created will be displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning. We'll be back soon with another interesting video on ICC 2022 topic. Till then, keep learning from eShiksha. Thank you so much.